welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to show this to you guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ding! This is so cool. It's called Relaxcharm earplugs. So we're gonna be opening it up together at night because I live in a apartment. I have people up. I have a person on top of me and a person to the side, and I also live off the highway, a major highway. Literally, I'm looking right at it, and it can be so loud. So I wanted to try these out. First of all, isn't the packaging gorgeous? Just look at this constellation really quick right here. I'm loving this so much. And now look at how beautiful they have presented this right here. I'm gonna have to show you this probably laying down, laying flat, but I'm gonna try this way. It's so beautifully presented. It's basically the circle here, and then here are all the different sizes of the earplug. So it comes also with a little manual. I like that it comes small, compact, you know. So it comes with the earplugs that are in the carrying case. So here's the case. Then it comes with a small, medium, large, extra small, and double layered ear tip. So that was what I showed you here, which I'll take a video of it with my phone so you can see it better. But let's just open it up really quick. Oh, it's so cute. This is supposed to kind of be noise cancellation to help you relax. So these are super small, which makes me feel like they're going to be very, very comfortable and easy to wear. And you can wear them, obviously, if you want to read, if you want to tune out anything, or if you're getting ready to go take a nap, anything, you know. It just helps. It helps you get that noise out of the way. So it has an R. I don't know, you can't really see it. I'm going to try to get my phone to see if you can see it more clearly, but it has an R there to let you know where the right is, and it has an L on this one to let you know what the L is. They look like little half moons. So cute. If you want to change the nozzle, you just put this inside out, like so, and then you can unscrew it, and then you can put another one in. It's pretty simple. These already look like they're gonna fit, so I'm gonna try to do it. So you wanna put it in your ear. Make sure I have the right one. This is my left, so let me get my right. So it should be pretty simple. You want to push it in very softly. You don't wanna kill your eardrum. And then just a light twist, and it should fit perfectly just like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look, I have a moon in my ear. So again, you want to just push it in ever so slightly and then twist, and that'll keep it in there nice and snug. Alright, you guys, now that you can see the item better, again, this is Relaxcharm Silicone Sleep Earplugs, the Moon series, which I think is absolutely amazing. From an artistic point of view, the box is just beautiful, and actually can use it on vacation and just store it in the box for, you know, safety. So if you open it up, which I think is super, super cool, there's so many multiple ear tips so that it can be suitable for different groups of people, which I love. And then it kind of looks like the moon and then the planets around it, or maybe that's just me, but I think that's super, super awesome. So a little bit more about these amazing earplugs. I know I mentioned the benefits as far as sleep. I didn't mention that you can get up to 10 hours with them comfortably, even if you are a side sleeper. And if you just want to relax as well to keep them in, not necessarily sleeping, you can use that as well. You can use it for that as well. It's made from a soft touch elastic silicone, which makes it very affordable, convenient, eco-friendly, and of course very, very comfortable. Which I think I also mentioned in the part where I was actually talking facing the camera. And because it does have that silicone, it is a hypoallergenic material, which is really, really important to me. The cap design provides a superior noise reduction for up to -33 dB, making them super ideal for blocking out if somebody's snoring next to you or any type of background noise altogether, which is super important. And remember how I said it looked like a moon? Well, the unique Y-shaped moon cap is meant to seamlessly fit into the ear, avoiding sensitive areas like the ear rim and the bones. So it's a perfect fit and it's pain-free, especially for people like me who are side sleepers. Now, earlier I had mentioned to change the tip. You just kind of loosen up the silicone material, like you fold it up, and then you'll be able to pop it out to pop one in. So that is just basically what I am trying to demonstrate here. And don't come for my nails, you guys. Please don't come for my nails. So yeah, it popped out finally. Little finagling it needed, but yeah, this is how it looks. And then you can choose whichever one you need for the sizes back there. And then you should just be able to pop it back on. It really is that easy and that quick. And I will put all of this information down in the description box, including the link, so you can get a pair. Totally worth it, and I really hope that you guys check it out. So it's pretty simple, straight to the point. I just wanted to show you some of the things that I'm going to be using, some of the tools to start relaxing more, stressing less, and tuning out. Sometimes you just need that. And I really recommend these. I'll definitely link all the information down below. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, you guys, besos.